Driving to St. Louis.
You could win 4
5
seats
o'clock.
to Super Bowl 42 in Arizona. 4 seats to the
Wednesday. I'm feeling good. We have to go to the bathroom, and I'm really hungry, but we should be to St. Louis in about 5 hours to start the trip. Yay! Did you hear that? We're hungry and we have to pee, and we've been on the road for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Did you clean the bathroom?
No, oh my god, I can't do it. There's like tubes on the back of the toilet seat. Not just 1 or 2 or even 32. There's like 7,000 tubes. And it's disgusting. I mean, I'm...
Where's Justin?
He left.
What?
He left. Melissa, how was trying to clean the tubes?
Oh my god. I had no tubes. And I hate cleaning the tubes. My eyes were blindfolded, and I want tubes. In fact, I'm not sure if I've gotten out of my system yet, but I might still puke.
Okay. Oh. I got the This is lunch. Day 5. We're trying to find places to stack the brownies. Don't these fucking brownies look awesome? I can't wait to eat them. Like chocolate with a brownie on top, caramel topped off with whipped cream. Yeah. This lady went to the bathroom in the tea, even though we told everybody there's no water and they shouldn't go to the bathroom there. Anyways, as she's bending over to flush the toilet, her glasses drop off her face and into the toilet. So, guess what she decides to do? She decides to flush the toilet with her glasses still in there. And about 20 minutes later, comes up to us and says, "Now, I just wanted to see what happens when you flush the toilet." So after Mike gave her the process of what happened, she's like, "Oh, well, I kind of dropped my glasses in there. Are they lost forever?" Two funny things. 1, why would you want them back if they were like in a toilet tank? And 2, why would you wait so long to tell somebody? Disgusting. And why would you flush the toilet if your glasses are sitting in there? I mean, the end result is Mike, the good man that he is, hiked up his sleeves, put his arms down the toilet, and was able to fish out the glasses before there were any issues with plumbing backups or anything like that. You know, I just don't understand. That's a great video. Mike, how's the trip going? You digging into the beer already?
Hi, Ed. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How's your trip so far? Good? Very good. Where are we? Just outside of Schenectady, New York. Schenectady? Yeah. Cute little camera. Yeah. Can I get you something to drink?
Yeah, I'll have a Coke.
Don't be so smarting. I'm assured that not be fine.
What's she doing? Oh, I was looking for you. Okay, get her an apple. I was actually going to come ask you where you put those apples.
I had to hide them from customs. I hid them in the bottom of the trash can.
So, think about feeling better because I got some now. Barry Porter born today. Barry Porter?
You also tried to take down a chair when we were putting up the chair.
Okay, this morning, went to do the bed, and I walked in the room, and Kristen was trying to do something with the chair. I smashed it down. I was ready to pull the bed down. What are you doing? Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. Have you got a bottle of water?
Yeah. Water?
So you can prove that you were actually working on the trip, right?
Yeah. We're doing a documentary.
Oh.
Working on a train.
I see. Okay.
Great interaction. What are you doing? Why? Not enough work to do? No. This is our room, day 6. That pile in the back there is dirty tablecloth.
Look at that flashlight.
Stuff's getting jam-packed everywhere. Like, look at all this disastrous stuff. Disaster. I also wanted to let you guys know that we are about an hour out of customs, and for the record, just because we're going to customs, everyone has to be in their room to like make sure they aren't like felons or something. So we're going to customs and we're not allowed to nap, so there will be no napping. There will be no napping during customs. We're simply going to lay there and be awake for 3 hours to get through customs, but we're not allowed to close our eyes because there's no sleeping through customs. So in case you didn't know, customs is a serious matter. The apple.
Oh, yeah, apple.
Try to find the apple. If this video camera finds the apple before customs, we have problems. Sword?
Some sword that won magic sword. You ready for dinner?
Are we allowed to go out with the guests?
I was really looking forward to going or doing the customs, but it went a lot faster than I thought. Then I tried to tell people that they had to until the train started moving again. I'm so fucking tired, it's ridiculous. But what's this note for Kristen? Caca poo poo. See, I can't remember if we plugged the coffee pots in or not, if we'll start or not, but I don't want Kristen to wake up and think she made the coffee but didn't actually make the coffee. Yeah. I'm pretty tired. I'm going to go to bed now.
It's really early in the morning or really late in the morning. I don't know. I'm fucking tired. Really tired. How are you feeling today?
Tired.
What are you working on over there?
Dishes. Who is it? Is it Chewy? Chewy. It's cool. I'm gonna say it's for juicy, so why don't you stop there? I'll eat some more.